Goa, also known as the Pearl of the Orient, is an ideal holiday destination to be enjoyed at a leisurely pace. With Portuguese colonial influence which brings in an East meets West culture, makes Goa an attractive tourist destination. Ever since early days, Goa has always attracted numerous travelers across the world for its hospitable nature. The state boasts some of the renowned hotel management institutes, which produces finest talent that the industry demands. One such institute is International Institute of Hotel Management, initially known as IIHM. The institute is situated in the pristine location alongside the best star resorts in South Goa. The campus boasts a state-of-the-art academic learning center with swimming pool, library, games room, AC conference hall, outdoor event hall, hostel, cafeteria, gym and other facilities. The IIHM New Year campus was witness to some of the young exceptional talent who participated in the 6th International Young Chef Olympiad India 2020. The Young Chef Olympiad started with a vision of being the best platform to bring the world closer via food, as food unites people. Dr. Subruno Bose, Chairman, YCO Global Council, Co-Chairman and CEO International Hospitality Council Founder and Chief Mentor, Indie Smart Group YCO. He took the initiative and kicked off Young Chef Olympiad in the year 2015, and the rest is history. In its 6th edition, contestants from 60 countries including Scotland, England, Singapore, USA, Spain, Portugal, Kenya, Iran, Cambodia and Germany amongst others participated at the YCO 2020. The event was held across Delhi, Pune, Goa, Bangalore and Kolkata from 28 January to 2nd of February 2020. Goa campus was the host for prestigious event for the first time. Goa League started with the arrival of 10 participants who were hosted at IIHM campus. Let us first take a look at the contestants.
We are the champs, we are the young chefs, we dare to do, give it our best. We light the fire.
The event saw eminent international chefs including Sean Canworthy, Stephen Hogan, Stuart Littlejohn, Dr. David Graham, apart from the panel of city judges.
Champs, we are the young chefs, we dare to do and give it our best. We light the fire, sizzle and bake, heart's desire, passion on the plate. We are the champs, we are the young chefs, we dare to do and give it our best. We light the fire, sizzle and bake, heart's desire, passion on the
plate. Before we go through the grueling process of finding the best young talent, the students were greeted with performance by the IIHM Goa campus. The contestant seems pretty relaxed and smiling, but the next day we'll see them all battle it out against each other.
Goa is an internationally renowned name, right? Everybody knows Goa. People may not know other parts of the country, but Goa is something they're aware of. In fact, I have just personally come with 10 of the teams to Goa, and all of them were super excited that we are going to Goa. It means a lot to them. that is one of the primary reasons why we decided to expand from the last year and add Goa as a leg to the Young Chef Olympiad. The idea behind Young Chef Olympiad is to get people together. We have something called as the United World of Young Chefs, and our primary host, apart from International Institute of Hotel Management, is the International Hospitality Council, and we are looking to globally unite the hospitality world, and nothing unites people better than food. The idea of having a competition of food of one representative per country, fighting it off to get the golden chef cap, the golden talk as we call it, was truly unifying. In fact, my experience with these people with whom I have just come, we have come in with 10 countries, and all of these countries, the unity that I saw is fantastic. They come from different cultures, they come from different backgrounds, but it does not matter. They all wear the same chef coat, and they are here with the same idea that they want to win the Young Chef Olympiad.
It's indeed a peaceful morning at IIHM Goa campus in Niue. The sun waking up for a tough day ahead. The participants gather at the assembling point near swimming pool. Greet each other along with their mentors before they walk to the culinary arena for the battle.
We are the champs, we are the young chefs. We dare to do and give it our best. We light the fire, see the land fade. Heart's desire, passion on the flame.
They are cheered by the students while on their way. From here on, we were not allowed to shoot as the contestants had to be in complete privacy while they cooked best from the rest. As the contestants are busy, we spoke to the mentors who have come along with them.
I am Asis Maharjan, mentor from Nepal Academy of Culinary Arts, Kathmandu. I'm sure like the pressure has been handled well by my mentee, this Miss Sobi. Yeah, I mean the pressure is just remains for like the initial few seconds and then last few minutes. So I think it's going well. Waishu means like it's more of like friendship and then like knowing each other, like bonding with like new friends, and knowing like lots of culinary, of course. I think like for most of the people that's their mom. Like we learn lots of cooking from our moms, and then she is my inspiration as well. Among like many international dishes, like I like my own dish that is called momo, like which is even popular in Nepal. And then like when my friends and my chef's friends they come and visit my homes, we prepare like momos, and then they like it so much. So that is like what I want to promote in coming my culinary days.
So sir, is there any ingredient that you can't live without, that this must be there in each and every dish? Yeah, is something.
Nothing as such, but like seasoning is required all over, like in any dishes. So yeah, there's nothing as such.
Yeah.
This is our 5th year, so it's not new for us. And of course, like for my mentee, like it's new for her. I am enjoying every time when I come to YCO. And as I already said, like it's not only about the competition, but about like like meeting the old friends and meeting new friends. Goa, this is my first time in my life too, and though it's winter, but I'm still feeling like heat here. You can see like I'm sweating, So yeah, it's a beautiful place, but it's still yet to explore.
Hello, my name is Abdurrahman and I'm from Uzbekistan, from International Center of Uzbek Culinary Arts at the Association Chefs of Uzbekistan. It's our second participates the Young Chefs Olympiad. It's a big global competition. Inside our competitors working very hard. All members be worried because our competitors be working hard because we have the national products, we have the international products. It's very interesting for all. In my students cooking the yupka roll. Yupka is our national dish, which connects the global international cuisine with the European cuisine. It's a connect because we want to show our national products can be connects with the international and be in India, in the northern European, because all the chefs and the all cuisine is a very big family. Every year, Young Chefs Olympiad collects the chefs from all over the world. It's a big success and the best path to development. Has a first round, it's a chicken dish. Every participant from country cooking the dish from chicken, and it has times 1:30, yes, 1:30 minutes, and has 2 portions, 1 dish for the judges, for 4 judges, and has recipes from the kitchen cut, 4 copies recipes with the method, with the gram and with the calorie, and with the photos. Goa, it's very fantastic, naturally, very fantastic, because Goa has a sunny. It's because in my country, same weather is only summer. Yes, it's very fantastic weather.
Hi, my name is Chef Aaron Goh. I represent at Sunrise Global Chef Academy from Singapore. I can't see much right now because I'm left outside, but I'm sure everything is going well after my students' hard training. The ingredients they've given me today, I'm quite happy because we have stuff that we are familiar with, like turmeric, ginger and soy sauce. So we brought 2 national ingredients, which is glutinous rice as well as sesame oil. What we want to create from this dish is a flavor to represent Singapore. Many chefs along the way, I've been mostly in the French kitchen, doing European cuisine, and a lot of 5-star establishment and Michelin-star restaurant around the world. My favorite ingredient has to be caviar, because you can eat it on its own, and I always have a passion for caviar, although it's too pricey to eat all the time. It means a lot to me because what my project is in Singapore is also sustainability. We are doing the note-by-note cooking, as well as training young chefs about sustainability and also the note-by-note cooking. Basically, to maintain sustainability, we need a lot of support from the government, as well as the chefs around the world, and education for the young generation.
Good morning, I'm the Met of Sri Lanka. My name is Harsh Maklandu. I'm representing the William Anglais Institute in Atlas, Slate, Sri Lanka. It was quite, I think we were comfortable with because we done all this work before. So participant for the Sri Lanka, like Navin, he was doing performing well. I've seen in screens as well. When we get in the pottery dish for the highlighting purpose on the first round, we done some chicken roulade, giving some infuse of the flavors and some colors on Sri Lankan through the bell peppers. So it's a quite interesting dish, I think, for the old judges. Talking about the voice, it's amazing competition given for the youngsters for all around the world. Sri Lanka was representing all through that one. So this is the first time I've been here for the voice here. It's very interesting and it's very good for the youngsters to show their skills in the world. When I started my career, I really love the food. Always I'm going for the, when my mom is cooking the food, I'm really interested about it. So after that, I started my career in these ones from the training, and I used to go with all the franchise brands, so it made me more interested in this. The most famous dish from my mom is, I can say, it's a Sri Lankan chicken curry. I'm going to do this time for the all nationalities in our traditional dish. So everybody can taste it. How is the flavors from the home kitchen? Mainly we taking the ingredients like specialized, the spices we're going to work it out. Might be, you can see this time I will work with some different spices, so getting the new modern touch to that cuisine.
The competition also saw involvement of city judges from renowned hotels from Goa. We also asked them on their association with the event of international stature.
Alright, my name is Justin Fernandez and I am the executive chef of Novotel Goa Donna Silvia Resort. So it's a wonderful feeling because it's always special coming back to a college and giving it back to the college. And yeah, it's a wonderful feeling being amongst students from different countries. Well, I think it was a fantastic show. Everyone performed to the best of their abilities and capabilities. The flavors, the textures, the presentation of the food said it all. I think it's a wonderful platform to come and perform under one single roof. You get to connect, you get to meet people, you get to meet chefs. And for us also, it's a wonderful learning experience because it's not just about judging plates, but it's also meeting people, learning about their cultures and their cuisines. So fantastic job by all the students. Yeah, well done all of you all. Well, I think this is a fantastic initiative by IIHM and YCO. See, because this is one platform where you get to meet students from different parts of the world coming together, and it doesn't get bigger than this. So I think you should make the most of it, because what you're doing is you're getting cultures and cuisines from different parts of the world coming together, and it doesn't get really bigger than this.
Yeah, I'm feeling great about it. In fact, I came to know this is the first time I'm attending the YCA. It's a great initiative, and see, catching the children when they are young and taking them to the next level, it's something not very many institutes are doing. And it's a very different way. You involve the entire world fraternity over here. All the young kids, they grow together, they share the culture, and they understand what is all about, food is all about from different countries. At the same time, you see that when they are young, they are open-minded. And the theme, I came to know the theme is sustainability. It's very important that every kid, they understand, because they are our future generation. They are going to take this thing ahead forward in the future. And with the sustainability, chefs plays a very major role. As a chefs, we all are responsible to educate the people. When the chefs speak, everyone understands that, and they know what to eat, what not to eat. There are so many fruits and vegetables which are grown in our country which are not underutilized. So as a chef, when we speak about that sustainability and promote the food and make a sustainable environment, it's very great theme which I feel they have selected it. Yes, I saw the constant. They have come from all across the world. I expect them that to focus on the basics of the cuisine. Now, what has happened with the media coming and the WhatsApp coming, which was not there in our times, it's become very easy for them to Google out. But I would like to tell them, don't become a Google chef. Be back to the basic, learn the basic things, learn the kitchen things. Nothing comes easy in this industry. As a chef, there's no shortcut. So don't take any shortcut to become a chef. I would like to tell them, keep doing the good job, what they are doing, and I'm sure they are going to take our country to a very different level. At our time, we were not able to take the India in the World Forum, but I'm sure this young generation will make us feel proud.
I just want to keep them the same zeal and enthusiasm, and then take this profession as a challenge, and then come up in life. Whatever you do it with love and passion. And for cooking, it's extremely important that whatever you cook with love, then it can't go bad.
Feeling very great here when you see the young chef, the smile, also the hard work. Feeling very great about that. Best of luck, keep your hard work doing. And whatever you put in the plate, put your passion and your heart. That's very important. When you see the dish, you should be able to feel happy. Then you can serve the guest. That's the basic thing.
I see the hard work always pays, so they have worked very hard. I'm sure they'll be rewarded very rightly. Thank you.
Yeah, they're looking at the contestants and all over the world. It's the management and the institution had put very good platform for the students coming up. Let's see, hope for the YCO. It's a great platform, I can say, for the young generation to showcase their challenge, this to the younger generation. Yeah, I would say people have done a very good job to showcase the name of IIHM to the international level, and I would say all the best to everyone.
As the clock ticked to the final moments, we saw some of the exotic dishes getting out of the arena. The buddies took them to the judging room, where it was to be tasted by the judges. The judging process continued, and the contestant took a break post-lunch to see what Goa has to offer. The IIHM Goa campus took them to some renowned places to enjoy. It's day 3 and the last leg of Goa edition of 6th International Young Chef Olympiad India. The drill continues again as the contestants gather to the assembling point and exchange greetings on the beautiful morning. They further head to the arena for the last time to impress the panel of judges. The participants are motivated by the students who cheer them up by clapping.
hands. We are the young chefs. We dare to do, give it our best. We light the fire, sizzle and bake. Heart's desire, passion on a plate.
Due to privacy for the students and judges, we shot few of the glimpses and waited outside to chat with the mentors of remaining contestants.
Hi, I'm Chef Ariel Morel from Seychelles. Well, I would say there's not much pressure on her as it's her second time in the competition. She came last year and decided to send her again this year as she won the Bangalore Rising Star Award. So yeah, to join this industry is the love for food, and also my dad is not a professional chef, but he cooks a lot at home, and I was inspired by that. My favorite dish is curry, any curry as long as there's coconut milk in it. Seychelles, we have a lot of curry, and that's why I love India with the spicy food and all the curries. YCO means a lot to me and my students as well, as it is a platform that unites all the chefs of the world together. And it's a platform when you meet new people, enjoy cultures, and taste different cuisine. That's amazing. Goa is really nice. Actually, I feel like home. From the beautiful sunny Seychelles, coming to Goa and visiting the beach yesterday, I just felt like I'm at home.
Hi, I'm Domenico and I'm help Joseph, the real mentor of Georgia. The pressure inside is very high because for Joseph this competition is very important because you have a very strong link with the students and he is exciting for the students. For Joseph, the strategy is to be very quiet, okay, with and work very hard. Joseph, his work is very important, okay, because he loves the work to stay with the students, with the young people, and with the young chef. For Joseph, the cheese is the right solution for all dishes, okay, because he loves cheese.
Hi, hello, I'm Chef Shannon from Konkani University, Bangkok, Thailand. Yeah, it's the second time for this contestant, but in this year we do a lot of practical. In this year they allow for 2 ingredients, right? But the special one from us is a butterfly pea flour. So it's like the flour, they make the color for the blue and the navy blue one. So, but actually they will have like a benefit for the medical and cosmetic also, right? So it's like specially and a fantastic products also from Thailand. Actually, everyone is my inspiration and everything is inspiration here. That I would say thank you for IIHM. That is the most of the inspiration for me to join in the World Culinary Cup like this. Thank you very much. I say it's really lovely city. Go see like many sunshine, close to the beach. I like it very much. And also everywhere got the seafood is very nice for me. Thank you, Kua. Thank you, YCO. Thank you, IIHM. If for me, it should be in Thai menus. It's called like Tom Yam Kung, you know, right? It's like a sweet and sour and spicy soup in Thailand. But even you can put the meat, anything meat like chicken, pork, or fish, or seafood, or whatever, and you can eat with the same rice. It's very nice for Thai cuisine.
In all, I think I'm just really proud to be able to travel half of the globe and come to India and be able to compete in this great competition they have going on. It's soon getting close that they're going to be crushing it, so there's only a couple of minutes left, and I think the pressure is really high in the kitchen at the moment. Definitely it's going to be tough. We have really great competitions, not only here and the rest of the groups. So it's only going to get harder from here, I think. I think they just have to come and see how great event this is, and they're going to learn and develop as a chef, being able to go and compete in this competition.
And last year, it was my first experience with the YCO. This time, I like to come again because of its uniqueness, the way of it is conducted. And the hospitality what IIHM students provides to people and the managing to keep everybody happy in terms of hospitality and their success in it. The management, I appreciate the management of YCO. It's amazing. So I would like to come again more to YCO. As I said, YCO got kind of uniqueness in it. That is possible because of the enthusiasm of IIHM students, I believe. So keep going on with the same enthusiasm, attitude, and the obedience, whatever the good qualities you students are demonstrating, which is an example for youngsters, other institutes. Okay, I wish you good luck, all IIHM students.
Thank you.
While the competition was on, the city judges from renowned hotels from Goa headed to holding room. They shared their association with the IIHM and feedback on Young Chef Olympiad India. They also spoke on how important this kind of events are in shaping the students.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Farooq Beg. I'm the executive chef for the Zuri Whitestone Resort and Casino, which is located in Varka. And I'm happy to be over here. In fact, it's more exciting when Olympiad is happening in India, in Goa itself. It's not only an opportunity for the students, it's an opportunity for us also to interact with different chefs and different people, so they share the knowledge and really know what's going on, what's happening. It's not only the competition which is happening. In fact, it's a more kind of an advertisement. It's a kind of a platform where people come to know like where India is standing, where Goa is standing in the culinary matters. So earlier when you talk about culinary things, so people were really, not aware of that what things are going on. But right now, if you talk about that, like due to media, due to WhatsApp you talk about, due to the shows which is going on in the culinary, there's a lot of things to share. It's not only the chef who is sharing, in fact a housewife, the ladies at home, you get to learn a lot more on that one. I think this is one of the best platform, and I wish them all the best. And as I said before, it's a great opportunity to learn and to share. Thank you.
This is Shyam Longani from Taj Exotica, Goa. I welcome YCO, and it's the first time they are in Goa. Wish them all the best. They are here for a very good cause, and we all, people in Goa would love to support them. It's an initiative which is for all of us, benefit of us. So wish them good luck. And it's such a noble cause. YCO, budding young chefs all over the world, very high-profile competition. We look forward to support from everybody. Thank you so much.
First of all, I would like to thank IIHM and Mr. Bose for inviting me for this grand event. And it's a great platform and a great initiative for the young students for all over the world under one roof to showcase their culinary skills. I wish them all the best for the future.
And what are the expectations from contestants?
The first lot, what we saw today, is very enthusiastic, very challenging. They have performed very well. They presented the food also very well. And I wish them all the best for it.
IIHM Ahmedabad, a third-year student, and here I am with the technical judge of YCO 2020 Chef Stuart Littlejohn. So Chef, I would like to ask, as everyone knows that this year's theme of YCO is sustainability. So what are your views that how themes like this, supporting biggest events like these, like YCO, have importance and consequences on the people, and how it affects the people about the theme like sustainability?
Well, sustainability is very important at the moment. It's all in the media. Everywhere you look, there's single-use plastics. So for younger people coming here, it gives them an opportunity to talk to each other and their own ideas on how we can combat this in the future. It affects me, my son, your future children. It affects everybody. And I think the YCO has made a big platform this year to put that voice out there again. And it just keeps putting it there, and then small changes, people will start to get on board, and hopefully we can save this beautiful place.
That's true. Chefs, we have heard that you are very much interested in beverages. So I would just ask a very simple question,
Yes.
that what is your favorite beverage?
My favourite beverage, well, beer
Okay.
to start with, and I'm partial to a gin and tonic.
Okay.
Very nice.
And the last thing, I'm very curious about something which I have heard, that is League of Club Chefs.
Yes.
So kindly enlighten me on that.
The League of Club Chefs is an organisation that started over 25 years ago, and it was a platform for the London clubs to meet, trade staff, talk about problems and issues, helping each other out. And over the years, there's 25 members, and over the years we've built, and we do a Young Chefs program where we take chefs to educational trips, Severn and Wye Valley, see the smoked salmon. We do a game seminar, we do game where they're on the moors and stuff like that. So we were into educating all our younger chefs. We do educational dinners, and we just sort of try and put ourselves out there a bit and help the youngsters coming through. Because not a lot of people know about London clubs. They all think restaurants, hotels. But some of the London clubs are spectacular places. The decor, the history, and all of that goes with them. You know, they're unique places.
So it's like growing and developing with everyone.
Absolutely.
That's true. Thank you so much
You're
for your
welcome.
time, Chef, and
You're
coming over here all the way to Goa.
It's been a joy.
Thank
you.
And right now I'm standing here with Chef Stephen Hogan, the technical judge of YCO 2020 here in Goa. Chef, I would like to ask you that according to you, what are the effects of institutions collaborating and supporting events like Young Chef Olympiad and encouraging and motivating the young talents which are in culinary?
I think the first thing that the chefs take away from this event is putting themselves in front of professional chefs and learning that, you know, in a competition like this, what is important is the participating. If you don't win, you're going to learn. As long as you walk away and you learn something, you're always a winner. That's the first thing. The second thing is that when all these chefs meet and they start to discuss what they do, you find that, you know, 55 countries, we're not that different. It helps to bridge the divide, especially in a world where, you know, there's a lot of divisions created by, you know, politics, religion and ethnicity. So I think that's very important, because this is my third year here at YCO, and I know for a fact that a lot of the young chefs become friends. Even after just 1 week, they stay in contact and they meet up, and, you know, today with today's availability of Facebook and Instagram, they stay in contact and they forge, first of all, at a young age, friendships, and then as they grow and they become professional chefs and they move up in their jobs, it's a professional network of people that you can reach out to and talk to, possibly about opportunities, recipes, ideas. So it's definitely, you know, putting all that ideas and knowledge into one pot, and everybody benefiting from the collective.
So according to you, it is a very good platform for creating a global connect and sharing cultures.
It is a beautiful platform because it brings the chefs together. They are cooking from the same basket of ingredients. The only thing that different is their ethnic cuisine, the way they cook, the way they look at ingredients, and that comes out in all the different dishes, so that's fantastic.
So Chef, the last question for you is that, which is the one dish that you are most proud of today?
I think one of my favorite dishes is I do a risotto. Whenever I have guests coming from overseas, I do a lovely tomato and Maltese sheep's cheese risotto. What is different and nice about the risotto is that I blend the raw tomatoes and I only take the clear water.
Okay.
So when I cook the risotto and I serve it to them, it is white.
Okay, that's
So then, you know, in their mind they say, how come this is a tomato risotto? So they think it can't be. But then when they put it into their mouth, they just feel, you know, the taste of the fresh tomato. So the water, I don't use any chicken stock or vegetable stock. It's just a risotto with fresh tomato water, and just a hint of the acidity from the sheep's cheese helps to bring out the flavor. So it's an interesting dish because it engages you both from a taste, but also from a sensory aspect.
That's true. The sense of sight.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Chef, for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, Dr. Bose and Team IIHM, all campuses, but especially I would like to say a big thank you to IIHM Goa for a fantastic first participation in the YCO 2020.
Thank you, Chef.
While the judges share their thoughts on 6th edition of International Young Chef Olympiad India 2020, the culinary tables were set with exotic dishes prepared by the contestants, and the buddies got them for the judges to taste. As the judging was taking place in the room, we tried to talk to some of the contestants on their experience at 6th International Young Chef Olympiad India 2020.
Yeah, it's very much excited. I was a bit pressured while I was making the dishes, but somehow I'll be able to complete all the dishes within 5 minutes extra, and now I'm very confident about my dishes. Yeah, after winning, my next step will be going to a hotel, into a fine dining hotel, and work with great chefs and get amazing knowledge from all over the country, all over the globe. I made this is a fixed one. Everyone is making the same. This is a pear tart, and this is a crescent of pumpkin and mint couscous and bell pepper purees.
I feel really proud and great. I did everything I wanted to do, and I feel really good about it. So here we have a pasta tortellini. So I filled it with a capers, tofu, and green lentils. Then I put a little bit of wasabi, Icelandic wasabi, just to give it a little bit of kick. Then you have a mint on top. Here we have a roasted pumpkin. Then we have a pumpkin sauce mounted with Icelandic butter. Here we have a sort of fresh salsa, just to give it a little bit of fresh taste to it. And then we have here a basic custard sauce with a little bit of lime. Then we have the pear tart with apricots, jam, and a little bit of lime in it.
I've made ravioli, fried ravioli, filled with pumpkin and tofu, and flavored with fresh mint. Then I made fennel bulb sauce and carrot sauce flavored with lime. And then I add mango carpaccio, and drops of extra virgin olive oil from Lake Garda, and then drops of balsamic vinegar from Modena IGP.
I made rice with our national ingredient, which is dry lemon, some green gram with tomato sauce and tofu, and peach pie.
I made a couscous sautéed with tofu, pine nuts, olives, capsicum, and I seasoned it with a lemon zest and lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper, and then for the sauce I made a sauce vierge with onions, mangoes chopped in brunoise, and tomatoes, olives, and olive oil, and also lemon juice. And then for the vegetables, I sauteed the pumpkin in garlic and oil. Also the tofu in the couscous, I sauteed it with the garlic. Then the tofu, I added it to the couscous and sauteed it. And the pumpkin, I just sauteed it with garlic and put it in the oven for color and for it to cook properly. And then for the capsicum, I just sauteed it in the pan with salt and pepper.
Hi, I'm very excited to be here. I'm very excited to have completed the second round of our YCO challenge, and I hope the judges enjoy what I created. Firstly, they don't have any other chance to meet so many other contestants and so many other young chefs alike. I think that is definitely one thing that I will keep with me for a long time. And secondly, it's also to get to know a lot of other people, get to show what I have and learn the culture of India, which is the first time I'm in India, so very excited to learn.
The feeling was amazing because it's extremely because we prepare two foods. It's mains and dessert from Bordello, and I feel very good because I cook what I want, the show, the judges, and I hope it's like it for judges.
Hello, namaste. The experience was quite very exciting and nervous and proud all at the same time, because we were in so much of pressure, but that pressure was fun. So today I made the layers of cake, is also known as timbal. The first layer I have is the carrot and semolina cake with almond milk. The second layer is caramelized onion, then tofu stick, then mango and chili jam. On the top there is the green lentil crumble, then pine nuts, And I have this coulis, that is the pepper and the tomato coulis. Then we have the stuffed baked tomato and the sauteed bell peppers and this black olive in soy milk emulsion.
Today I make the in the chili of Thailand, either fried rice and the vegetable rice. Rice with the chili of Thailand because it's the hot and very chilly.
The judging process continued and the contestants started to pack up for Kolkata, where one of the many participants would be crowned the winner and end up winning a cash prize of $10,000, the winner's trophy and a gold talk. For us all, every single participant travelling from their home country to participate in the 6th edition of International Young Chef Olympiad India 2020 is a finale saw all the ingredients required for the perfect glitz and glamour amalgamation to an exciting end, with some special performances for the contestants, and followed was the prize distribution. Let us witness some of the moments of the Young Chef Olympiad 2020 at IIHM campus, Kolkata.
The bronze award goes to England.
The bronze award goes to England.
And the winner of the silver award is the Philippines.
The silver award goes to Philippines.
Okay, now the gold award, YCO 2020, goes to the 2020 gold winner for YCO is, the proud winner is, for the very first time this year, is Malaysia!
IIHM, we commit ourselves to all the 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations that will transform the world.
Once again, the winner of the 6th edition of the Young Chef Olympiad 2020 goes home to Malaysia. Thank you so much, everybody. That was Malaysia, the winner this year for the Young Chef Olympiad 2020. Thank you so much. has the gold, silver and bronze 2020 6th International Young Chef Olympiad, ladies and gentlemen.
We would end the show with the words of the chairman, Dr. Subrinu Bose, which all of you will agree to. YCO today is the biggest and the best culinary event in the world for young chefs.